Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a piece of kitchen hardware that truly challenges the way we think about multifunctional cookware. This is the Vita Craft 3900 two-handled pot, and calling it just a pot feels like a massive understatement. If you are someone who struggles with limited kitchen space or you simply want to streamline your cooking process with professional-grade gear, this might be the most versatile tool you ever add to your cabinet. Let us start with the construction. What makes this piece stand out is the 5-layer build combining stainless steel and aluminum. This is not just a standard metal pan. That layered technology is designed for exceptional heat retention and, more importantly, rapid and even heat distribution. Whether you are using a gas stove or an induction cooktop, this pot handles thermal changes with grace. It heats up efficiently and keeps that temperature steady, which is exactly what you need for consistent cooking results. The real genius here is the design of the shallow and deep grills. They are built to work together. You can use the deep grill as the main body and the shallow one as a lid, or you can switch them around depending on what you are preparing. This flexibility allows for a massive range of culinary techniques. We are talking about waterless cooking, oil-free sautéing, steaming, and even oven-style baking. Because of the square shape, you gain a bit more surface area compared to a standard round pot, which is perfect for fitting fish fillets or larger cuts of meat without overcrowding. In terms of dimensions, the shallow grill offers a capacity of 1.4 liters, while the deeper section gives you 3.2 liters of space. It is compact enough to fit comfortably in a smaller kitchen but large enough to handle a family meal. You also get a rack included in the package, which turns this into a functional steamer or a smoking setup, adding even more utility to your repertoire. Now, let us get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, the build quality is premium. It feels sturdy, durable, and designed to last for years. The dual-use design is brilliant for saving space, and the induction compatibility makes it a future-proof investment for any modern home. The ability to perform waterless cooking is a huge health benefit, as it helps preserve the nutrients in your vegetables. On the flip side, because this is a professional-grade stainless steel piece, it does require a bit of care. You need to manage your heat properly to avoid burning food, as stainless steel behaves differently than your average non-stick pan. Also, given the solid, high-quality construction, it has a certain weight to it, which some home cooks might find a bit heavy if they are used to flimsy, thin aluminum cookware. However, that weight is a sign of quality and heat retention that you will grow to appreciate. In conclusion, the Vita Craft 3900 is more than just a pot. It is a multi-purpose system that replaces several different items in your kitchen. If you prioritize quality, versatility, and efficiency, this is an excellent choice. It simplifies your cooking while opening up new possibilities for your recipes. Link in the description.